There's something that I've been wearing every single day, and it's a windbreaker. It's been quite some time, and I wear that windbreaker pretty much every single day when I take Chico out for a walk. It is a very beautiful windbreaker. I mean, it has some colors in it, which is nice. I really like wearing colors these days. Not all colors, but I'm okay with wearing colors these days. So, so I went online and I dug really, really, really deep into what exactly are windbreakers. I mean, I know what exactly are windbreakers. Like, what exactly do you pair windbreakers with? Like, how do you style them? Because in it, the windbreaker in itself is so beautiful, and I just use it to do really useless chores in my life. Like, I don't give my windbreaker enough recognition that it deserves. So I was like, you know what? I want my windbreaker to be seen, like seen. I want my windbreaker to have that elevated look, to have that fashion moment that it's been craving for some time. I want my windbreaker to have that moment at least once. Do you like my windbreaker, Bobby? Do you like my windbreaker? Okay, you can go. You see me wearing this windbreaker every single day. So this is the windbreaker that I wear pretty much every single day to do really stupid things. I love that it goes like all the way up like this. Oh, I love it. So my regular and usual attire is to wear these shorts, and particularly these shorts. I'm just going to use a belt to tighten the waist. Gold belt, gold earrings. It's a thing. And I'll take my bag. And now I'm ready to go to the beach, and then I'm ready to go to the library. This is a beach library transformation. So I go to the beach like this with my books in this. So I go to the beach, I spend some time in the beach, you know. I'm protecting my skin. I don't want to get sunburned. So I'm wearing a windbreaker because I'm going to the beach in winters. It's chilly. So I'm ready to go to the beach, and then I think that, you know what, I'm done with reading a book and I will just see if I need another book. So I go to the library, but then I get immersed in this reading thing, and then I forget the time. So I start reading and it's nighttime and it's already chilly. So I go and grab dinner. You know, I just loosen this thing a little bit. Okay. Just loosen this thing a little bit. Okay. And now I'm ready to go. Now I'm ready to go grab dinner with friends, you know? Wow! I can't believe. Why haven't I looked at this windbreaker in a different light? It is beautiful. Let's switch the shorts with longer pants. Or maybe I can just switch these pants with black pants. I think that'll be better. I feel like it'll give a more nighttime vibe. You know? Like you're going to a casual dinner. In the daytime, if you're going to have a brunch and it's chilly, so you can just wear this with the light colored pants, and a nice bag, because it's brunch. It's not exactly extremely casual, right? But if you're going in the nighttime and it's like casual, just, you know, like seeing friends. Not that I know how seeing friends feel like, because I don't see friends. But if you're going to see friends and it's like a casual thing, like literally you got a message to keep things casual, even though everybody turns up looking absolutely fabulous and wearing over the top dresses. It's fine. This will compete. This will definitely compete. You just switch these with black pants. I'll bring black pants. Wait, button this up and keep it open, like a collar. And now we have black pants, some bag. Now we're ready to go to the dinner that everybody thought you won't come, but you eventually show up because you are an introvert human being and you were just invited because it was an obligation to invite you. It wasn't really a thing. Like, you're not really a part of the social group, but you're just in it. Story of my life. Anyway, you eventually show up and you look good and everybody's like, wow, you came out of your cave. Wonderful. Okay. Can do that, and then if it's like winters, it's like too chilly, we can take a blazer on it, like a jacket. Thank you. And I have my food here. Oh, wow, I really do like this. I just wish I could show a little bit more of the red and just kind of like keep it in a way that you can see the, red. I like this. Oh, I can totally see myself wearing this. Wearing this somewhere fancy is what I'm trying to say. Let me just see how it looks with a long skirt. This looks okay. I had no idea that my absolutely regular windbreaker would be so versatile. You know what my problem is? My problem is that I like to style things when I'm doing something, but when it comes to the actual event, like if I actually have to go out, if I actually have to go somewhere, when it comes to that point, when it comes to that time, I forget what styling means. I forget it. I don't know how to style absolutely anything in this world. So I wear the most normal clothes in the most normal way, in the most basic way possible. But here, when I make videos, I'm like, my brain is working. My brain is like working, it's running, it's really running fast, and I can come up with ideas. But when it comes to the actual, I feel like I'm dumb. My brain stops. I don't know what to do. Okay, bye.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano.